Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a delicious lamb recipe. It is tender and flavorful with attractive smoky taste. You're gonna love it. First of all, we are doing the marination. We need a medium-sized onion and finely chop it. Transfer it to a bowl and add some water to diffuse the onion's flavor. Meanwhile, we prepare the dry spices. We need 3 tablespoons cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon coriander seeds, and 6 chilies, all as your preference, half star anise, and 3 green cardamons. Give a roughly pounding to green cardamons and star anise, and make sure the cardamons are open. In the pan, we add all the dry spices. Roast them under low heat. This is the fire I'm using. When you see they're turning to a little brown, means it's done. After cooling down a little bit, we grind it into fine powder. Add 1 egg in a spacious bowl. Add 3 teaspoons mixed spices, which is now grounded. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar. Here we got 1 teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon turmeric, and half teaspoon ginger powder. Give all this a whisk. Now time to add our onion water mixture and give a stir. After all these are ready, add the lamb chops. You want to use lamb but not mutton, because lamb is more tender, which is perfect for this quick cooking recipe. And another tip is that try to use the lamb with bones and some fat, which brings more juice and flavor. We need to set this in fridge for at least 2 hours. Flip them near halfway of marination. After 2 hours, add 80 grams flour. You don't put all of it in one time. Just add it gradually until you get the right consistency. This is all we are looking for. Add some oil to seal everything. Add adequate oil in the wok, which can cover half the height of the lamb. Use a small piece of butter to test oil temperature. You see the bubble at the second time immediately appeared and they are bigger and stronger. Then it's time to add the lamb. We need to use medium heat to cook. The small ones take around 5 minutes, and the bigger ones take 6 minutes. We need to flip them every once in a while. Now our lamb is golden brown. Drain the oil and set them aside. Add cumin powder, chili powder, roast sesame, burn some charcoal until it's very red. Use aluminum paper to make a bowl. Here I made 2. Put burnt charcoals in the bowls. Add 1 drop oil on each charcoal. Cover the lid immediately. When we see there's no smoke anymore, means it's done. Time to serve. Look at this. What I can tell you is this smells so good. Let's try it. It's a little crispy, but inside soft and juicy, and the spices enhance the taste but not conceal the meat flavor. I deserve to try. If you like my video on my channel, please give a thumb up and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.